Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your SoFi bank account with the NerdWallet app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to keep track of your finances and you use the SoFi bank. How do you actually go ahead and connect your SoFi bank account with the NerdWallet app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to the NerdWallet app. Then in the upper left-hand corner, click on the three lines. From here, click on Financial Info, then click on Linked Financial Institutions. Then click on Add Your First Account, and you need to accept some terms and services here. And once you do, click on Continue as Guest on the bottom hand side. Then go ahead and find the SoFi icon. So the SoFi is right over here. And then from here, it's going to log you into SoFi, so you need to enter your credentials. Then select which accounts you want to go ahead and connect with the NerdWallet app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your SoFi bank to the NerdWallet app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.